Tropical storm alerts have been issued and people are on high alert too as Hurricane Earl makes its way toward Atlantic Canada. How and when will we be affected here in Canada? Well, here's the latest from the Canadian Hurricane Centre.
We've seen at least the most likely track, which represents an average of many, shifting a little bit further to the west today, so making the center of the storm's lowest pressure perhaps going through the Bay of Fundy and touching the coast of New Brunswick somewhere along the Fundy shore. The highest winds, as we've been talking about, are going to be to the east of that actual track line.
But the big question here that people want to know is, will Earl still be a hurricane when it finally does make landfall?
When the center of the low pressure, if it does come ashore on the Fundy coast of New Brunswick, I think the winds will be around, the top winds around 120 to 130 kilometers per hour, and that would still be classified as a hurricane Category 1 at the time. But the Category 1 hurricane conditions would in that case actually be over Nova Scotia.
But it's important to note that these storms can be unpredictable. They can change direction and they can change intensity quite quickly. So emergency officials in all 3 maritime provinces are asking people to be on alert. Expect high damaging winds, torrential rainfall, and even flooding as we head into the weekend. We'll be here on the Weather Network following this storm all weekend. And you can follow me on Twitter at TWN Shelley S.